Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Presh. If you haven't made a dime from the comfort of your home, that means you haven't been watching my videos as I share tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to watch my videos anytime I post them. Today, I'll be telling you about 5 different websites that pays even Nigerians just to chat from the comfort of their home. So if you're looking to make money online from the comfort of your home, then this video is definitely for you. The very first website I'm going to talk about here is Rent a Friend. This website allows you to get paid just by offering virtual friendship. All you have to do is chat with people, make video calls with them if you can, then you can even meet them in person depending on your preferences. Nigerians can actually set their own rates and get paid via PayPal or other available methods. Now, if you're actually looking for ways on how you can actually create a PayPal account to actually receive funds from this website, I made a video earlier on how you can actually create a PayPal account. I'll be dropping the link under the description of this video. The second website that pays you just to actually chat with people and be their friends is Premium Chat. Now, this platform actually lets you charge clients for private chats. You can make calls with them also. You can book video sections. They pay you for even agreeing to actually make video calls with them. It's ideal for maybe coaches, influencers, or anyone who enjoys engaging conversations. And also, you can receive payment through Payoneer or bank transfer. Payoneer is something you can easily create on your own. Nigerians are very much welcome. So if you have a Payoneer account, you can just create it and link it and start getting paid. Now, Talkroom is another app that people pay you before they can message you. People will not be able to message you until they've paid already. So they have to even pay you first before they can message you. And you have to set your rates, receive payments in national. And the good thing about this one is that you can actually receive your payment via cryptocurrencies, making it very convenient for Nigerians or Africans who are unable to create a PayPal account or Payoneer account. So if you have a crypto wallet, you can just link it and you get paid from this particular website. Before I forget, these apps actually have apps. You can actually go and download their apps on even Google Play Store or App Store. So if you have iPhone or any other Android phones, you can actually download their apps and chat with them. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about, which is the fourth one here on my list, is Rent a Cyber Friend. I'm not going to talk much about this particular one here because I already made a video before now about it. I'm also going to drop the link on how you can actually sign up, set up your profile on this particular website and get paid. You set your rate. You can even earn as high as $50 per hour or per minute. Depends on your rate. You can set your own rate. That's this one. This one is the highest paying site anyway. If you're actually looking to actually make money, this one is the highest paying one among them. So you set your rate and you get paid with it. So I'll be dropping the link on how I actually created a profile account with this Rent a Cyber Friend. So you can actually go and watch it and know how to actually set your own profile with them. And another thing about this website is that you need to be online so that it will be easy for you to actually accept calls or friends that wants to chat with you. So make sure you also check and download their app, because with their app you can easily get notifications and keep up with friends and your cyber friends, and you make money with them. Now, the last one on my list here is Chat Operator. This Chat Operator is actually where you can actually work as a test-based chat operator for dating sites, customer service, or social chatting. Nigerians can apply and you can receive your payments. They pay weekly, or so yeah, they pay weekly. You can receive your payments via either PayPal or Payoneer. Like I said earlier, if you're actually looking to know how to create a PayPal account, I already made a video about it. So that's the end of the video. If you actually enjoyed this video and if you actually want to make money online from the comfort of your home, if you want to be the first to get the update, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you.